Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today Nifty, this is the first candle, and then Nifty broke the high of the first candle, and I woke up late. Today is 22nd of September, Monday. I woke up late, and Nifty has already formed 3 green candles here, and here it was forming I thought of entering here, but I missed it. I tried to enter this candle, but it gave a rapid move upward, so I entered here. Then I thought it would go upward only, but it suddenly retraced back and I had to exit. This was my stop loss, but I exited here, booked a loss. Then again I entered here in a CE trade and exited here. Here I entered in another CE trade. So in short, all these lines that you can see are the trades where I entered and exited. So my first trade gave me a loss, and after that, by the time Nifty was here, so in this trade I made a little bit of profit. Apart from this, during this time when Nifty was above this point consolidating, I was at a loss of 700 rupees. So my capital was 7,500. From there, 700 rupees loss. So this was the first trade where I made a profit, and here I exited again, booked a loss, and for a PE trade I exited again. And this was this was another trade where I entered and I exited here, booked a little bit of profit, recovered my loss. Then I entered here with this momentum. I entered here and I exited at this candle. This gave me a profit of 400 rupees. So I somehow recovered my losses, all my losses, and I made a profit of 200 rupees in one trade. I made a loss of 400 rupees in one trade, and I made a profit of 400 rupees in one trade. So overall, my P&L is 300 rupees. I took 13 trades today. In one particular day, I took 13 trades, and my capital was 7,500. So now it's 7,600 something. So 200 rupees was my brokerage and charges. But anyways, I am really lucky that I have somehow managed to recover my loss of 700, or rather, if I want to be specific, I am very much lucky that I could protect my capital with this fall. The mistake that I made was I entered too early. I missed this move here, this up move here, and then I thought, no, it acted as a FOMO. And then when market was here, I entered in CEP, and it made n number of trades. So here also, after this, if I would have entered, I would have got good profit. But since I have seen a loss at the first, and then while recovering, while I entered at the same strike price, which was showing me a loss of 200, as soon as it came to 30 rupees profit, I exited, because my brain told me that okay, you have recovered your loss, exit. I was in a good position here. I was at a good strike price also, 250 put. So if I would have held my 250 PE, I would have made huge profit. But anyways, I was very lucky to have no saved my capital, recovered my loss, but very bad trading day because today I took 13 trades and over trading. I thought of not trading today, but uh, tomorrow is expiry, so I'll see what happens. And uh, somehow in my brain it's still showing me, my brain is still giving me pictures of 8,150 rupees profit of my PNL. So that is the reason I traded today. Maybe I'll watch tomorrow, it will be better. Tomorrow is expiry, I'll watch the market with patience. And another thing is I'm sick. For a couple of days I have fever, and maybe this fever has affected my psychology, affected my trading. So that's it for today. On Saturday and Sunday I made 2 videos and posted it on YouTube. Hope you guys liked it. And if you feel that this was helpful, please do share it with your friends, and please like and subscribe. So that's it for today, guys. Keep crunching those numbers.